Hello guys, this is Kirk Roldan, and in this video I'm going to discuss what is white label SEO partnership. Now let me read it here. White label SEO involves reselling SEO services under your own brand name and identity while another company handles the actual SEO work. So as a reseller, we are not the one doing the work, but we are outsourcing all the services to our white label SEO partner who's doing the actual work while we are using your own brand name and also the identity that you have. Second explanation, white label SEO is like a ghostwriter or a ghostwriting because you are the one working in the shadow. As a white label agency, you are working in the shadow. Okay? It's like a ghostwriter. And your reseller will receive all the glory because your client think or know that your reseller is working on their behalf, but no, they're not. Only the white label SEO agency. Okay? Next, scale your agency without hiring freelancers or virtual assistants. Why? The good thing with white label SEO agency is that you don't need to worry about hiring freelancers or virtual assistants because they have the list of people who can do the work for you. And you can easily scale your business because you already have those people on your end. You don't need to hire one people, two, three, four, five, because everything or all the services that you're looking for, they already have it. Okay? But also it depends on the white label agency. If how big is the agency, if they have multiple people or if they only have 3, 4, 5, it depends. Next, leverage the expertise of SEO professionals without investing in building an in-house SEO team. So this is very important because building an SEO team is very hard, okay? You need to train them from scratch. It takes a couple of months or even years for them to know or for them to become an expert in SEO. Plus, you are building it in-house. So you need to pay for rentals, pay for water, electricity bill, 13th month pay if you have that. You need to rent an office. So it costs you a lot of money before they can start working on your behalf. Okay? And a lot of digital agency doing this method as it's cost effective. So this is very cheap if you want to start outsourcing it to white label agency. Okay? This is very cheap because let's say for example, you are selling that service for 1,500 US dollar for your client. And then you are just outsourcing it to a supplier which only 600 US dollars. So you're earning for that service and you don't need to worry about the fulfillment side. Okay? Next, there is no need to become an SEO expert to generate 7 figures SEO agency business. So you don't need to become an expert for you to start doing an SEO work or an actual SEO work, because if you're partnering with agency or white label agency, they already know what to do. So you can also become an expert instantly without knowing those jargons or knowing SEO. You just need to find a company that is good for you, that is fit for your what you need. Okay? Next, as a white label provider, you don't need to worry about getting clients. Okay? So this is also one of the benefits with those white label agency provider because they don't need to worry about getting clients. They can work with one agency or one reseller and then they have a lot of clients to work with. So that's a win-win for both of those parties. Okay? Getting clients as your seller will take care of you. As a white label provider, you can focus on the quality and the results you can bring to them. So it's a win-win for both white label agency and also the reseller. Now, let me dive more deeper here. I'm going to provide you an example. So example number 1, suppose one of your clients requires extensive SEO services to enhance their online visibility. However, your agency primarily specializes in Google Ads. In such scenario, you can collaborate with an SEO service provider to expand your service offering. So you are an expert in Google Ads and you are not providing any services outside Google Ads. Now, what you can do here is you need to partner with white label SEO provider. So you don't need to worry training other people, hiring a lot of staff, and also it's a win-win for both of you if you do that. So partner with SEO service provider, and by doing that, you can expand your offering. So right now, you're only doing Google Ads, right? And by partnering with them, you can enhance or get more services that is related to SEO. They can focus in on-page SEO, link building, content creation, technical SEO, and whatsoever. Okay? Initially, you provide details about your clients to the company, which conduct an SEO audit and create a strategy. So basically, agency, they have this strategy or they have this method to create an audit, provide you a strategy, and for them, they need to present the strategy to your clients with your approval, and the white label SEO company proceeds with the implementation. So that's example number one. Let's go with example number two. Example number two, if you're managing a digital marketing agency and you have clients who each requires multiple blog posts every single month. And to meet this demand, you choose to outsource SEO content to a white label partner. And this allows you to deliver search engine optimized article regularly to all your clients. So you cannot handle doing a lot of SEO optimized blog posts and your clients requiring a lot of blog posts. Let's say, for example, they have 5 company outsourcing to you and then they need an help for blog posting. So how can you do it? So you need to outsource it to an agency or an SEO agency that have SEO optimized content service, right? You are recognized for producing content that performs well and increases organic traffic to their website. So as a white label agency provider, your goal is to produce quality and SEO optimized content that can provide organic traffic and results to their website. You cannot just create a content and then don't optimize it. No. Create content and make content appealing, make it looks good, and no grammar problem and issues there, and also optimize it. Quality content is the best. And meanwhile, your white label partner benefits from generating additional revenue without the need to handle client acquisition and management cost. So this is also good for white label agency because they're not going to worry about handling client acquisition, because there are also a lot of white label SEO agency which is really good when it comes to doing the work, deliverables, providing the result, but they have a problem with client acquisition. So they tend to focus with white label services and also management cost. All right, I hope you get that. Now, this is the process of white label SEO partnership. Okay, so this is a white label SEO provider or an agency like us. We are a white label SEO provider, and then this is you, the reseller agency, and then this is your client. So for example, the reseller have a client in SEO, okay, in SEO service, and then this reseller don't have any SEO services. Now they can outsource the SEO to the white label SEO provider who's doing the work for a long time already. But you need to make sure, the reseller making sure that that white label SEO provider is really great, is doing the work, and also provide result. Okay, you cannot just partner with white label SEO provider who don't provide the result as well. Okay, so you cannot have any problem with your client because your client will expect the result. So that's it. Now, how can the reseller earn for this process? So, for example, the client pay for SEO service for $1,600 per month. Okay? Client pay this to your reseller. And the reseller will pay you for only $600. So, the reseller earn $1K without doing the work because they are just outsourcing it to white label SEO provider. So that's the process, and it's a win-win for both sides, the white label provider and also the reseller. And yeah, that's it for now. I have videos about the benefits of white label SEO and also the process, pros and cons in my other videos. Just go there. Now, if you are looking for white label SEO services, by the way, we have that. You just go to kirkroldanseo.com and white label SEO, or click this one. You will be redirected here and watch this video because I explain our white label SEO process. And if you have any follow-up question, just go to schedule a call to learn more and talk to me, and I will discuss to you our white label SEO process. And then just go here as well. This is our process, by the way. So how to start working with us. This is the process. Choose a service. We have a lot of services here. Then once you choose a service, just fill up the intake form. Begin the work. That's it. That's very easy. Now, I want to give you a reseller promo. If you want to subscribe with 2 projects, you will get 10% discount. For 3 projects, you will get 20%. For 4 projects or 4 clients, you will get 30%, and so on and so forth. So if you have 3 clients or 4 clients, 5 clients, then you can get a huge discount from us. Plus, the good thing here is that our services here, if you compare it to other SEO agency, our rate is very low. Why? Because we are a white label agency provider. We don't cost you too much. Okay? And later on, I have a video about this one. Just click get your promo code, and then this is the process for you to get our promo. So follow this one, and then you just need to click this button here, okay, the live chat, and ask us the discount code and tell us how many projects or clients you might have. So we will provide you a coupon code for that project. Or just when you are in our website, just click this one, because we have a live chat. We are available every single day to answer your concern or questions. Just let us know how many service you want to avail, and we will provide you a discount. So the projects here, let's say we have, or let's say you will subscribe with 3 projects. Any services that we have here, or just go to our shop, any services that we have here will get you discounts. Okay, just choose 2 services. Let's say, for example, this one and this one. If you subscribe this, you will get 10% discount, or more than that, you will get more discount as well. So I guess that would be all for this video. If you have more questions, just let me know. Thank you so much and have a great day.